the World Series of Trading. There's a few hours left to sign up. You can actually join my squad to win a total prize pool of $8 million. It's free. You just get a bunch of bonuses. I'll show you some of the bonuses that I have right now. I have a chance to win a Bored Ape as well. We roll the lucky draws I have. The main idea is, in last few days, I've been up a lot. I actually closed my signal. Oh, I have an alert signal. One sec. Just placed a short had a trading view alert signal. You get all these signals, and this wasn't made up. You could hear the. It's very interesting. I do over 400 trades per day. You see my scalps. I can do this live. I'm actually going to start with 500 bucks. You see all my trades. You'll be able to participate, and not just participate. Follow my trades. Hopefully be profitable. This video is no financial advice, but also get the rewards. Hopefully we get a lot of this prize pool of $8 million. The main idea is I don't have a crypto signals group anymore. I mean, I still have it, but it's going to be for friends and family. The reason is I just don't need 50 bucks a month or something like that. I want to do what I do to help the community, obviously make money, but it's not worth it to, you know, charge 20 people or something that will be in the group for $1,000 a month. I'd rather participate. You know, I get paid from a lot of these from different brands to do stuff, to trade. So I'm okay, right? I'm an actual trader. I don't really need people's money to go to get money out of people. Hopefully I can provide some value with the squad race. There's gonna be 10 people in my squad. If you're seeing this video, you have a few hours to join in. There's just 10 people. Everyone is invited. I don't mind the first 10 people to join. We'll play together. Just be active. The requirements, you basically need 500 bucks on Bybit. You don't have to risk 500 bucks. If you are join my team, all you gotta do is DM me on Twitter or something, and I'll add you to my group, and you get my signals for free, so you can follow my trades. Basically, I have a few lucky draws, so I want to get those, and I can do daily updates. This World Series of Trading starts tomorrow. I can do daily updates on it. I'm up a lot in the last few days. I've got a strategy just for that. Let's see what I win. I got. Come on. What did I do? CTC token. Draw again. So I've got 3 draws. We previous lucky winner price for round. I don't even BTC token. Draw again. Oh, we got a alert signal for WUU. Okay, that's ready. Let's draw again and see if we can get a Bored Ape now. I'll probably get a few draw chances on a daily basis. I don't know how it works. Okay, so I got a little bit of tokens here and there. A few times. It's free money, so I don't mind. Then you have the daily lottery, previously, which is basically free. I don't even know how it works. I just type something in. Threshold not met. Oh, okay, I gotta do some volume. Derivatives trading's volume. So yeah, I'll probably participate from tomorrow. So if you are watching the video, all you gotta do is just go in the description of this video and sign up. You have probably, when you're seeing this, a few hours left, 16 hours left. It says 19. Probably gonna take me 30 minutes to an hour to upload the video. I would really appreciate it if we can get a really good result. It's the first trading competition that I am in. I'm a scalper. I do over 10,000 trades a month. I've got proof on that on Twitter. I've posted a few times when I got warnings from Binance that I'm trading too much because I had over 400 trades in a day. I've had one yesterday for 300 something trades. Let me see if I can show that without doxing myself. Verification codes. Yeah, but you can see that on Twitter. I'm very interested in participating. I think that it's going to be hard to win a lot without YOLOing. I'm not going to be YOLOing a lot. I can keep the depositing because I got a $500 balance, but the idea would be to grow it, right? And show you how to grow a small $500 account. See you soon. Love you. Bye.